Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you want to show what you are listening to on Discord or jam with friends, in this video I will show you how to connect Spotify to Discord in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. This method works the same way on both mobile and desktop. I will walk you through using the Discord app. Open the Discord app. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap the gear icon at the top right. Scroll down and find this option called Connections and tap on it. In the list of available apps, tap the Spotify icon. A new browser window will open. Log into your Spotify account. Simply agree to the terms and conditions. As you can see, my Spotify account has been connected to Discord. And once connected, you will see your Spotify account linked under Connections. To show your music on your profile, make sure Display Spotify as your status is enabled. Now others can see what you are listening to in real time. If your friend also has Spotify Premium, you can even listen together on Discord. And that's how to connect Spotify to Discord in 2025. Like, subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.